Hey guys, Jared here with Beyond Limits Productions. It's currently Monday, and I've just been looking at the weather report here, and it looks like we're going to be getting a pretty big snowstorm overnight, leading into most of tomorrow. So weather's going to be a little iffy the next day or so with this big snowstorm coming, but wanted to reach out and let everyone know, I'm open to be booked. The next couple days are actually going to be really awesome. So right after we get this storm, looks like about Wednesday or Thursday, we're going to have partly cloudy, partly sunny days, which is fantastic because there's nothing better for some of these short-term rental shoots than to have a nice blanket of snow on the ground and then the sun shining down on it. So take that time, after the snow comes to get the properties plowed, cleared, shovel the walkways, shovel the front doors. But if you haven't already and you want to book a seasonal exterior updated shoot for your short-term rental listing, or for even my real estate agents, if you want to get a nice photo shoot in for your properties during the winter time, now's the time to book it. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me, reach out, call, text, whatever you need, and we'll get it done. Have a great day, guys.